In this video, I would like to tell you what 3 first games you should write. As an indie game developer, I know we want to write our perfect game which is going to make us rich and will make us proud, because so many other people did that, right? Well, I have to tell you that game development is actually quite complicated thing. Like, check out this game. I made this for one of the game jams I participated in. And even though it is nothing special, it is a very simple game. It took me around a week to develop it and made me completely exhausted. And by the way, I'm a professional programmer. So for a starting game developer, whatever game you choose, it's going to be very, very complicated. So I believe instead of trying to make a perfect game, you need to start with very basics. Here are 3 first games that you need to develop. First is Catch the Coin. A simple static catch the coin where the player tries to catch the coin before the time runs out and the coin is put to some another place on the screen. And in this very simple game, which you can implement in probably less than an hour, you already learn lots of very important mechanics, such as player movements, diagonal movements, collision, random number generation, and game loop. Your second game can be using the very same sprites, but in this case you will be catching the coin, not the coin randomly appearing on the screen, but the coin falling from above. And you can extend it by adding touchscreen support, and also it's already extending the previous game by adding the notion of gravity. So you have your player moving left and right and possibly even jumping, and you have a gravity affecting only the coin. So you reusing the concept that you used in your first game, but you built on top of that and complicate it even further. Now to the third project. The third project would be an endless runner, either a Dino or Flappy Bird Go. In this project you will learn some basics for random level generation, you will learn basics about using tile maps, and you will learn basics about gravity and getting close to the platform movement. So here it is, your first 3 games to implement. If you want to know more about game development and how to get from zero to something in game development, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel, because this is what I'm going to discuss on this channel from now on.